What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel. Another interesting thread of conversation that's been going around about the new 2023 KTM 300SX and 300XC is the price. The MSRP on the 2023 300SX is $91.99, and the MSRP on the 300XC is, I believe, $11.1. You know, almost $2,000 difference between the 300SX and 300XC, which we can understand that in years past because, you know, the XC was TPI, electric start, all that stuff. Well, now, you know, the SX is TBI, the XC is TBI. They're both electric start. They're both the new motor. Yes, the XC has the bigger tank, which is, I don't know, $40 or $50 more. It's got the kickstand. It's got the 18-inch wheel. It's got a skid plate, I think. It might have something else, but you know, maybe $400 or $500 price difference in parts. So we're just trying to figure out where this $2,000 difference is between these prices. You know, I'm glad the 300SX is, you know, more affordable at $91.99. But I just don't, we're not quite seeing where the 300XC comes in at $11.1. So I'm sure it has to do with regional markets and demand and all that stuff. But yeah, if one of you guys know or know what we're missing here, if you could leave a comment down below, that would be fantastic. All right, guys, I'm Ryan with MXG and AOMC. I'll see you in the next video.